Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, my name is Naila and this is my first assignment for embedded system course. So I was asked to create a system that has 3 LEDs and 3 switches as to indicate traffic light, but only with green lights. Okay, so this is A, B and C. So now it is in normal operation when there's normal car at every junction A, B and C. So every junction will light up for 10 seconds. Okay, so next we will proceed with when there's car at junction A, indicate with pressing this button. Okay, so now C, and we will wait until 0, 3. So when there's car at this junction A, LED B and LED C will only light up for 1 second, 0, 1, 0, 1, and LED A will light up for 10 seconds. And then we'll proceed with normal operation with A, B, and C. So when there's car at switch B, switch LED C and A will light up for 1 second and proceed with LED B. So when there's car at switch C, switch A and switch B will only allow the LED to light up for 1 second and 10 seconds for switch LED switch C. And then they will proceed with normal operation A, B, C and D. So as for special cases, when there's car at all 3 junctions, as to indicate with pressing all 3 buttons simultaneously, come back to normal operation. So as for normal operation, it will start with A, B and C, 10 seconds each junction. That's all from me.